This is an overview of cleaning up data from multiple repositories. This use case shows how organizations can use Controlpoint to identify redundant information in multiple repositories, analyze them, and then tag them for removal. It will show duplication internally to itself, as well as over a master repository like Content Manager, and analyze content from a network drive, SharePoint, Microsoft Exchange, and a range of other repositories. During the indexing, each document is analyzed. Controlpoint uses a document's MD5 hash value so that the data analysis of a repository identifies documents with duplicate content. The dashboard displays statistics that have been collected about this repository. We are interested in reviewing that content that has been calculated as potentially redundant based upon the hash that is calculated for each document when Controlpoint indexes the repository. By default, Controlpoint provides information on the hash calculated duplicates in the analyze repository. As an alternative to hash calculated duplicates, other repositories that contain master copies of documents can also be configured to permit checking for duplicates against the analyze repository. See here we have Content Manager being the master. This means that organizations can get rid of documents that are managed corporately in their EDRMS. A list of candidate documents is displayed. As the list of documents can be long, Controlpoint supports a sampling tool that can be used to select a subset of documents for review. Here we are selecting 50 documents for random review. Documents can be viewed and their metadata properties can be reviewed. You can review the remaining sample documents to verify that they are indeed documents to matching the duplicates criteria. After performing a review, clear out the sample set to return the entire candidate list of documents displayed. Using the Select pull-down menu permits you to select multiple documents for tagging. We'll select one page of candidate documents to tag. When the tag form appears, the available tags you can apply are displayed. You will tag the documents with the Remove tag. A list of reasons appears for applying to the tag. Select the redundant reason. Comments are optional, but we're going to select the duplicate comment. Then click Apply. When the candidate document list is refreshed, you will notice that the documents you tagged now have a tag icon associated with them. When this repository is updated from the analyzed to managed state, Controlpoint will assign a disposal lifecycle policy based upon the tag assigned to these documents. This process not only reduces the storage footprint, but also lowers the associated data maintenance costs. It is also important to note that by correctly applying the remove, preserve, and protect capabilities of the product, the company can significantly lower the risk associated with keeping and/or deleting data.